Compressed air leaks are a serious problem that affect most industrial facilities. 1 kilowatt of compressed air is 8 times more expensive than 1 kilowatt of electricity, and about 30% of all compressed air is lost to leaks. With the rising energy prices, it can be your most expensive utility. By detecting and fixing those leaks, you can achieve huge energy savings. To easily find compressed air leaks, use the UltraView, a simple-to-use and extremely effective leak detection camera. Switch on the camera and watch how the leak locations show up on the screen. It's that easy. In a short time, you will be able to cover a large area and find a significant amount of leaks, even at a safe distance. For each detected compressed air leak, the UltraView will show you the decibel level, the leak rate, and the estimated leak cost. Record all your detected leaks and create an extensive leak report. Know how much you can save on your energy bill by fixing those leaks. You will be surprised by how much your leaks are costing you. Find them easily, safely, and efficiently with the UltraView. You will get a quick and significant return on your investment.